Even if you don't stream content as a professional, but as a hobby, you still want to maintain your brand online. Hi, I am Jonesy, with United City Plugin. And today, we are going to list 10 determinations to improve your brand. So with that being said,
all systems go.
Number 1. Try to post 2 to 3 videos a week. Number 2. Replying to DMs and comments helps your channel grow. Number 3. Be unique with your sound design and social media channel. Number 4. Invest more time in your content and equipment. Number 5. Accept feedback and criticism, no matter what. Number 6. Don't forget to take breaks, so you don't overwhelm yourself. Number 7. Create for you, and not for them. Enjoy and love your brand. Number 8. Offer ideas, gear, or anything that your brand can help viewers like you. Number 9. Try out live streaming. And finally, number 10. Start today.
so, there's no better time than now to figure out how to promote your YouTube channel. If you want to stand out on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter or any social media platforms, you need to take advantage of many promotional plans as possible. All the mixes were created and arranged by DJ Tio Johnny and DJ Hail Nazareth. If anyone would like a sample of the audio used today, feel free to email us at info@unitedcdjp.com. Once again, info@unitedcdjp.com. Or just go to the description section and select the appropriate link. I am Jonesy, with United City Plugin. Thank you for watching and of course, stay safe and Happy New Year!
Shutdown sequence initiated. Shutting down.